Traditional versus online learning in history class. Similarities include independent research, allowing students to develop good research habits, and participation in the class, either through direct discussion or a discussion post. Differences include that traditional requires a physical place and set time, either a classroom or similar meeting, while online replaces this with discussion posts and meeting via appointments. Traditional advantages include being in a learning environment with less distractions, possibly helping students to stay engaged. Students are able to directly interact with each other, leading to discussion in the moment, possibly helping them to defend their positions when discussing matters face to face. Traditional learning disadvantages include the time to go to various classrooms, time spent in the class while not actually in the class. This can encourage students to skip meetings they feel are unnecessary. Students can attempt to hide in the rest of the class, allowing them to not participate while still being there. This can rob other students of differing interpretations of history. Online advantages include having all the tools required for the class on their computer, familiarizing them with research tools they will be using in either learning form. This can help history students with learning to use online databases for their research. Online students also have more flexibility. Students only need to work on the class when they need to or have the ability to with their schedule. This is beneficial for those who have either a career and/or families. Online disadvantages include not being able to directly network with peers and instructors, aside from through email or similar communication. Networking helps introduce students with groups that can aid them in research or finding a job after graduation. They can also be more easily distracted, as the internet is only a click away. Any research has the possibility of getting sidetracked, and online seems to be more susceptible to these distractions. Learning theories. For online, self-directed learning seems to be the best, as they work on the class on their own time. While traditional learning, Knowles' theory seems to be the best, which allows students to understand why they are learning what they are learning, how it affects them in the moment. For presentation, traditional models tend to have a lecture with a broad sweeping information given, with group or independent research helping them focus in on more narrow topics in the class. For online presentation, the instructor will be more of a guide, laying out material and to help students know what they need to in order to accomplish the class. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.